ముందుగా ప్రియమైన విద్యార్థులకు మరియు వారి తల్లిదండ్రులకు నమస్కారం. నా పేరు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజీలో చైర్మన్. నేను ఈ రోజు 10th క్లాస్ విద్యార్థులను దృష్టిలో పెట్టుకొని మాట్లాడడం జరుగుతుంది. అది ఏమిటనగా, మనందరికీ తెలుసు, గత 2 సంవత్సరాలుగా కరోనా కారణంగా విద్యార్థులు ఎటువంటి పరీక్షలు రాయకుండానే పై తరగతులు పంపడం జరుగుతుంది. ఫలితంగా ఐఐటి జేఈ మరియు నీట్ లాంటి జాతీయ స్థాయి పరీక్షలను సాధించడం కష్టతరం అవుతుంది. దీనిని అధిగమించడానికి మరియు 10వ తరగతి పరీక్షలో అత్యధిక మార్కులు సాధించడానికి నేను మీ ముందుకు కె వెంకన్న జూనియర్ కాలేజ్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ ద్వారా అనుభవజ్ఞులైన అధ్యాపకులచే ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులు, హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్ మరియు గత ప్రశ్నపత్రాల సమాధానాల విశ్లేషణ ఇవ్వబడును. కాబట్టి నేను విద్యార్థులకు చెప్పదలుచుకున్నది ఏంటంటే, ఈ ఉచిత వీడియో క్లాసులను మరియు హ్యాండ్ రిటన్ నోట్స్లను క్లాస్ రూమ్లో కూర్చొని చదువుకున్నంత సీరియస్గా చదువుకోవాలను. ఇంకొకటి ఏమిటనగా, ఈ యొక్క క్లాసులు విన్న వెంటనే అర్థం చేసుకొని ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయవలను. ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయడం అంటే కేవలం చదవడం కాదు, పేపర్ మీద రాయవలను. అలాగైతే గుర్తుండిపోతుంది. దీంతో పాటు మీ యొక్క నాలెడ్జ్ని పరీక్షించుకునే కొరకు త్వరలో ప్రీ ఫైనల్ పరీక్షలు.
Welcome back, students. I am Yogananda, teaching mathematics for class 10. We are dealing with pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Today we are going to do word problems. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Pair of linear equations in 2 variables. Word problems. Generally, word problems are given in the examination for 4 mark questions. You must be very careful in understanding the word problem. I am writing one word problem on the board. Look at the problem. Rubina went to a bank. Rubina went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. She asked the cashier to give the cash in 50 rupees 50 and rupees 100 denomination only. Rupees 50 and rupees 100 notes only. She got 25 notes. In all. Can you tell how many notes each of 100 and 50 received? Can you tell how many notes of rupees 50 and rupees 100 she got? That is the question. Understand the question first, then we will solve the problem. Rubina went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give cash in 50 and 100 denomination only, and she got 25 notes in all. How many notes she got of 50 and of 100? Total 25 notes she got. How many notes of 50 and how many notes of 100 she got? That is the question. So, you have to first understand the question and write the equation. Like that you have to write two equations. Two equations you have to solve, then get the answer for this. Rupees 50 notes X, say rupees 100 notes is equal to Y, say. So, you suppose it this way. How many notes of 50? How many notes are there of 50? X notes. How many notes are there of 100? Y notes. Now, look at the question. She got 25 notes in all. What is this? This is the first clue. 25 notes in all. Clue number 1. 25 notes in all she got from cashier. That means what? 25 notes X notes, 50 notes X, 100 notes Y. Total number of notes is X plus Y. X plus Y is equal to 25. This is equation 1. Have you understood this? This is equation 1. How you got equation 1? Because Rubina got 25 notes put together, 50 and 100, 25 notes from cashier. Forget about the denomination. 50 notes, some notes, 100 notes, some notes she got. How many notes she got of 50? X. How many notes of 100 she got? Y. Total number of notes is X plus Y. What is the total number given? 25. So, X plus Y equal to 25. What is the total amount? For total amount, 50 notes are X in number. If 150 note is there, what is the value? 1 into 50, 50 rupees. 2 notes are there, what is the value? 2 into 50, 100 rupees. Am I right? 5 notes are there, 250. 10 notes are there, 500. Am I right? So, X notes are there. So, total amount of 50 rupees is 50x. Am I right? Suppose one note is there, 50 into 1. 2 notes are there, 50 into 2. 10 notes are there, 50 into 10. Am I right? Like that. So, total amount of 50 rupees. Because of 50 rupees, what is the total amount otherwise? Total amount of rupees 100 notes, 100 Y. Therefore, total amount she got is, total amount is 50x plus 100y, which is equivalent to, what is the condition 1? 2000 she wanted. So, the total amount she got is 2000. So, now look at the second equation. This is second equation. Equation 1 is x plus y is equal to 25. Equation 2 is 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. You have to solve these two in order to get the answer. I am solving it here. Look at the board. Now, what is the equation 1? X plus y is equal to 25. What is equation 2? 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Am I right? 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now, you can solve it by any method. I am solving it by elimination method or substitution method. From 1, what can you say? What is the value of y? 25 minus x. Substitute this in second equation, 50x plus 100 into y. What is y? 25 minus x is equal to 2000. So, we are solving it by elimination method. So, 50x plus 100 into 25 is 2500 minus 100x is equal to 2000. 50x minus 100x is equal to 2000 minus 2500. So, this is minus 500. This is minus 50x. So, multiply both sides by minus 1, what do you get? 50x is equal to 500. X is equal to 500 by 50. So, it is 10. Substitute in y, y is equal to 25 minus x, 25 minus 10, which is 15. How many notes are there? Therefore, 50 rupees notes, 50 rupees notes are 10 and rupees 100 notes are 15 in number. This is the answer. You can verify whether the answer is matched or not. X plus y is equal to 25. So, how many 50 rupees notes are there? 10. How many 100 rupee notes are there? 15. Add this 10 plus 15, 25. Now, what is the value? 10 50 rupees notes give total amount of 10 into 50, 500 rupees. 15 into 100 notes, 1500 rupees. 1500 plus 500 is 2000. This is condition 1. This is condition 1. This is condition 2. So, we solved it this way. So, all of you take down this problem. I will explain this word problem once again. This is very important problem and very logical problem. You must be very careful in writing the two equations. All of you take down this first. I will explain it. I will read the problem once again. Rubina went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Condition 1 is she wanted 25 notes in all. What are the denominations she wanted? 50 rupees and 100 rupees. And cashier gave 2000 rupees and 25 notes. So, we use the two conditions and solve the problem. How many 50 rupees notes are there? How many 100 rupee notes are there? Total number of notes is 25. So, x plus y equal to 25. Total amount is 2000. 50x plus 1000, 100y is equal to 2000. These are the two equations. Take the two equations one below the other. You know how to solve it by elimination method or solving method. So, here graphical method is not required. You are asked to solve the problem by in a word problem by writing the answer. So, anyway you can do it.
Hello students, myself Sunil Kumar Badal. I have done my BTech from IIT Kanpur. Here at K. Venkanna classes, I teach chemistry. So, right now I know you all are busy with your board exam preparation, but let me ask you a question. Suppose you want to be a cricketer. Who would you choose your coach? A cricketer or a wrestler? Answer is definitely cricketer. So, in the same way here, we are the group of IITians, NITian and doctor. So, if you really want to crack or get a seat into IIT, NIT or any top medical colleges, come here and join us. What are you waiting for? Thank you.
So, let us do one more problem. This is age problem. I am moving the board, sliding the board to that side. Now, this problem is also a word problem which involved like this. Mary told her daughter. This is also a word problem. Mary told her daughter. Seven years ago, I was 7 times I was 7 times as old as you were. As old as you were. Then also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Find the present ages. Find the present age. Present ages of Mary and her daughter. This is the question. Find the present ages of Mary and her daughter. This is the question. This kind of questions, when asked, they look tricky. ట్రిక్కీ అంటే ఏమి, కన్ఫ్యూజింగ్గా ఉంటాయి, బుర్ర అర్థం కాదు. ట్రిక్కీగా ఉన్న క్వశ్చన్స్ ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలంటే కేర్ఫుల్గా చదవాలి క్వశ్చన్. ఫస్ట్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద క్వశ్చన్ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్లీ, దెన్ యూ విల్ అండర్స్టాండ్ ద లాజిక్ ఇన్ ఇట్ అండ్ రైట్ ద ఈక్వేషన్. అప్లై ద ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్, అప్లై ద సెకండ్ కండిషన్ and get the 2 equations, solve it, get the answer. Getting 2 equations is very important than from the problem. Solution. Mary's age x, say daughters DAUGHTER, Mary's daughter's age y, suppose this Mary's daughter, let the Mary's daughter's age be y years, we will take that way. What is condition 1? Condition 1. What is condition 1? 7 years ago means what? What is the age of Mary 7 years ago? Present age is x years. Present age is say 30 years. 7 years back 30 minus 7. Present age is 50 years. 7 years back 50 minus 7. Present age is 7 years, x years. 7 years back what is her age? 7x minus 7. 7 years ago, Mary's age is 7 times as old as you were. That means 7 times as old as her daughter. Her daughter's age is 7, y minus 7. Look at the condition. X minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. Have you understood this logic or not? తెలుగులో చెప్తాను. ఐ విల్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద సేమ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు. 7 సంవత్సరాల కింద మేరీ ఏజ్ ఎంత ఉంది? 7 టైమ్స్ ఆఫ్ మేరీ యొక్క కూతురు ఏజ్ లాగా ఉంది. మేరీ యొక్క కూతురు ఏజ్ని, మేరీస్ డాటర్ ఏజ్ని 7తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ఎంత ఉంటుందో అంత ఏజ్ మేరీకి ఉంది. అంటే ఏంటి? మేరీ ప్రజెంట్ ఏజ్ ఎక్స్ ఇయర్స్ అయినప్పుడు 7 years బ్యాక్ మేరీ ఏజ్ ఎంత? ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 7. Present age of Mary is x years. 7 years back x minus 7. Present age of Mary's daughter is y. Present y. 7 years back y minus 7. What is the link? 7 years ago I was 7 times. 7 years ago Mary's age was 7 times to her daughter's age. This is condition 1. So you have to apply the condition 1 like this. 7y minus 49. Bring it to left side. X minus 7y minus 49 also will come this side as plus 49. Plus 49 minus 7. So this is x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. What is condition 2? Be careful to understand the condition 2. What is condition 2? 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. 3 times after 3 years. That means what? Present age of Mary is x years. After 3 years, her age is x plus 3, and her age will be 3 times of Mary's daughter. What is Mary's daughter's age? Y. 3 years later, it is y plus 3. So, this is 3y plus 9. Bring it to left side. X plus x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. So, this is x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. You got equation 2 also. Both the equations I am writing here, x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0, call it as 1. X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0, call it as 2. Now, we got two equations. X minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0, x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Understood? Solve it. Any method you can solve. So, you can solve it by any method, you will get the answer. So, shall we just subtract this? X minus x gone, minus 7y plus 3y. So, minus 7 plus 3 minus 4y, minus 42, this is plus 6, minus 42 plus 6, 48 is equal to 0. So, minus 4y is equal to minus 48, y is equal to minus 48 by minus 4. So, it is 12. What is the age? Y is the age of daughter. So, Mary's daughter's age is 12 years. What is x? Substitute this here. X minus 3 into 12 minus 6 equal to 0. Substitute x, y is equal to 12 in 2. X minus 36 minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 42 equal to 0. X is equal to 42. So, what is the age of Mary? Mary's age 42 years. Mary's daughter's age. What is the age of the Mary's daughter? 12 years. This is the answer. So, this is the second problem which we have done now. It is also a word problem. How to solve this word problem when given in the examination? You should understand the problem very clearly. So, all of you take down the problem. I will give 2 minutes time so that you can copy it. After that, I will explain it. Mary told her daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Find the present ages of Mary and her daughter. This is the question. From the given question, you must write the equations. How to write the equations? You have to use your brain to understand the logic in the question. What is the first condition in the question? 7 years ago, 7 times of Mary's daughter's age. Second condition, 3 years later, 3 times to Mary's daughter's age. Mary's age and Mary's daughter's age. Mary's age is 7 times to daughter's age 7 years back. Mary's age is 3 times to daughter's age after 3 years. One is past action, one is future action. Present age is x and y. I am explaining it. Look at the problem. Mary's age is x years. Mary's daughter's age is y years. What is condition 1? 7 years ago, compare. 7 years ago, what is Mary's age? X minus 7. What is Mary's daughter's age 7 years ago? Y minus 7. What is the linkage condition? X minus 7 is equal to 7 times to daughter's age. 7 into y minus 7. 7y minus 49. Bring it to left side. X minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0 is the first condition. What is second condition? I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. 3 times means after 3 years, what is her age? Condition 2, 3 years later, what is the age of Mary? X plus 3. What is the age of Mary's daughter? Y plus 3. What is the given condition? After 3 years, Mary's age is 3 times to her daughter's age. X plus 3 is 3 into y plus 3. Therefore, it is 3y plus 9. Therefore, x minus 3y minus 9 plus 3 equal to 0. Plus 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you get x minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. So, you got two equations. What is the equation 1? X minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. How to solve equation 1 and 2? Any method we can take. By directly looking at this, you can see if you subtract 1 and 2, 2 from 1, you will get the subtraction and subtracted equation. X is gone, minus 7y minus of minus plus 3y minus 4y plus 42 plus 6, 48 plus 48 equal to 0. Minus 4y equal to minus 48, y equal to minus 48 by minus 4. Both are negative, so it is 12 years. So, Mary's daughter's age is 12 years. Substitute that here. X minus 3 into 12 minus 6 equal to 0. X minus 42 equal to 0. X is equal to 42. So, this is 42 years, 12 years. Let us verify it. After 7 years, what happens? After 7 years, Mary's age is 49 years. Am I right? After 7 years, what is the age of Mary? 7 years back. 7 years back, 42 minus 7, 35 years. What is the age of her daughter? 12 years minus 5, minus 7, 5 years. Am I right? So, 7 years back, she is 5 years old. Apply this, 35 is 5. So, 7 times 5. So, condition 1 is verified. Condition 1 is verified. Now, 3 years later, after 3 years, what is the age of Mary? 45 years. And what is the age of her daughter after 3 years? 12 plus 3, 15 years. 45 and 15, how many times? 3 times. So, 3 times, this is 7 times. This is also verified. Condition 2 is also verified. So, like this, you can solve word problems. When word problems are given, you must be very careful in writing the logic. Condition or logic. After writing the conditions, you have to extract the equations. You can take the variables as x and y. 2 variables are needed. You can take the variables as x and y, then find out this. So, briefly I will explain both. When any word problem is given, apply the logic. There will be 2 conditions. In any problem, you can notice that there will be 2 conditions. Here, one condition is 7 years ago, second condition is 3 years later. So, with the help of condition 1 and condition 2, you can solve any word problem like this. Few more problems we will take in future course of time. Let me reiterate that how you are learning this. So, spend 1 or 2 minutes to understand the way you have to implement the logic and solve it. Briefly, when you are given 2 equations, equation 1 and equation 2, each equation involves 2 variables. What are the variables? X and y. Generally, we take x and y. Pair of equations, pair of linear equations in 2 variables x and y. So, both the equations are must for doing the problem. So, after you extract the two equations from word problems, you have to solve them. Sometimes the equations are given directly in the exam, direct problem. Indirect problem is word problem. When in the word problem, you have to extract the two equations. Extraction or writing the two equations is very important. You have to use your knowledge, you have to apply the condition 1, condition 2 and get the two equations. So, look at the problem, understand the logic, then write the first condition, second condition, apply the first condition in terms of x and y and get the condition 1, which is equation 1. Similarly, condition 2, equation 2. Both equations after you get, you have to verify whether they are inconsistent and inconsistent. Generally, in word problems, they are consistent equations only you will get. You know how to solve the two equations, either by substitution method or by elimination method or any method which you like, just addition, subtraction, multiplication and addition, division and addition, anything you can do, solve it. It is called solving the two equations, solving two linear equations. Linear means it should not have x square, y square, it should have only x and y. Linear equation will have only x and y variables. So, take this kind of two equations and solve. So, with this linear equations, we have solved word problems also. I hope you enjoyed learning it and be benefited out of these video classes by repeatedly writing the problem on a paper and solving it on your own. If you are not able to solve it, pause the video and do it on your own. If you are not able to do, release the pause and learn it and pause button and then keep it aside and do it on your own. This way, if you practice it, you will get the concepts very easily understandable. If the concept goes into your brain, applying the logic and doing the problem is very easy. So, I hope you enjoyed learning these word problems. We will continue in our next lesson with some more problems. Good luck to all of you.